Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to fix Steam not connecting to internet problem. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to come on this website, which is store.steampower.com/charts. So on this website, you'll be able to see if the servers are live or not. So you're just gonna open up this graph, and if there's a huge dip in the numbers of the people online, that means the servers are the problem and it's not your Wi-Fi. So that's how you can firstly check if it's a problem for you or it's a problem for Steam. Next thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your firewall, Windows Defender Firewall, and you're gonna click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna find Steam over here, and then you're gonna make sure this is checked. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go back and you're gonna click on troubleshoot my network. Now you're gonna use the troubleshooter to check if your internet is working fine. If all of these steps still don't make your Steam work, try restarting your router once and it should work then. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.